Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Siri on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. So firstly, to find Siri, we will need to open settings. For that, press the digital crown to open the list of applications and then go into settings. So here we can see this Siri section, just tap it, and now we can enable Siri because it is currently disabled. So in the first section, listen for, we need to select either Hey Siri or Hey Siri and Siri. So I'm gonna choose this first option, and now it suggests us to enable Siri, so let's do it. So now let's go back, and here we can enable press digital crown for Siri and raise to speak. And also here you can check the Siri's history and set a language for her. For example, mine is in English now, but you can choose any other from the list. And also you can select Siri's voice. And after this you'll see the Siri responses, and if you would like you can enable this announce calls feature. And also you can use here messaging with Siri. And now let's test Siri. So I'm gonna press and hold this digital crown to trigger Siri and ask her about the weather. Hey Siri, what's the weather today in Prague?
Expect cloudy skies in Prague today.
And here is how it will look. If you would like for Siri to make silence responses, you just need to go in the Siri responses section, and here you can choose to control with silent mode, or here you can also disable this allow show speech and also reduce Siri's volume. And if you would like to disable it, you just need to go back to the first section, here turn it off, and press digital crown also disable and disable raise to speak, and you'll see this notification to turn off Siri. So let's just confirm it by tapping the red button, and now the Siri is off. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.